Hello crochet friends, welcome to Crazy Cool Crochet. This is Sylvia, and in this project I am bringing you this really cool crochet stitch that I just came across recently in a couple of places. So I wanted to bring it to your attention and show you what is possible with this stitch. I cannot believe I've never seen this before. Let me show you close up. Isn't this pretty? I don't even know what it's called. So if you happen to know if this has a name, please tell us below in the comments. I will also be including a link to a previous video of mine where I show you how to add a zipper to your crochet projects. So before we get started, I want to explain something to you. If you are a regular viewer, you will notice pretty quickly that I am using an entirely different format for this video. And if you stick around to the end, I will explain why I'm doing this way. So what I will be doing is showing you the main stitches, and then you can follow along with the pattern, which will be available as always at my Etsy shop, crazycoolcrochetus.etsy.com. Now let me show you these gorgeous stitches. And here is the completed pillow cover. So now I would like to explain why this tutorial is so different from my usual. If you have seen my other videos, and I have a lot of videos in my video library here at YouTube, and if you are a regular viewer, you know I normally give you line by line instruction so that you can work out the pattern entirely from the YouTube video. So the reason I changed it up this time, and I only showed you the main stitches so that you could follow along, as I said earlier, with the written pattern. As I have explained previously several times, actually over the last few years, that YouTube has basically stopped recommending my videos, and the only reason I can attribute to that is that the watch time for my videos is so low. So for example, if my video is 20 minutes long, which is typical, and viewers are only watching from 2 to 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is actually quite generous. So, as I have said before, YouTube sees that as, oh, okay, so people are tuning in, they don't like it, and they go away. When in fact, the crochet community is very much supportive of my work. And I can say that because I've got, as of the taping of this video, 56,000 subscribers, and amazing, beautiful comments on most all of my videos. However, crochet being what it is, I mean, somebody will tune in and see what I made for that week and decide if they like it or not. They usually do. And then they comment below and let me know that they really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. And, I plan on putting this on my list of makes or, whatever. But they are not going to sit down right at that very minute and complete the entire project. And that's entirely understandable. YouTube does not understand that. So, like I said, viewers tune in, see what I made, comment, and leave. And I know that people come on YouTube to get free information. That's what's so awesome about YouTube. I love YouTube. However, this just doesn't work for me anymore, like I said. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm still going to be putting out videos. Crazy Cool Crochet is my income, you guys. It's just kind of ridiculous, really, when you think about, the crochet community really has been trained to expect free patterns. Free, free, free. They don't stop to think that the designer, the creator, has put hours, days into the designs and all the work that goes into it. I need to be realistic with myself and my time and try to figure this out. So in the meantime, I will continue to try this new strategy and see how it works. I hope you guys stick around because I get a feeling I'm still going to put out some full tutorials here and there. I just can't help myself. I hope you understand, and I so much appreciate you listening to this long, long rant. Thank you. I do hope that you like this and that you do go over to my Etsy shop and, shell out a couple dollars for the actual pattern and the line-by-line instructions. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you real, real soon.